If you're like most people, you've undoubtedly seen the new Buzz Lightyear trailer from PIXAR Studios. However, looking at this trailer, a lot of people have tried to link connections between this trailer and Toy Story. However, there is something that caught my eye during this trailer. Now, if we look at the trailer, we'll see that as Buzz is preparing for his mission, we have this robot. We have this guy here, appears to be teaching him or guiding him, and this robot's name is Eric. What I'm going to attempt to do is design this robot here, design Eric. So over the course of the next few videos, I'm going to use what little reference material I have available to try and design this robot. What do we know from looking at the trailer so far? Well, we see that he has a single camera, a monocular lens. We see his head, and it appears that this head will be turning in this direction. We also see that the head is attached to this base here, and this base will swivel most likely in these two directions. Now looking at him closer, we see that he also has an arm, right, and appears to be a claw. I see he also has wheels here. I want to capture this shape. Now the nice thing is we have a good reference material to work with. We have, the chalkboard, this whiteboard here. That's a good frame of reference to get an idea of his size. And the design looks rather simplistic. We have not a square design. Be sure to subscribe, and I look forward to this journey of building Eric.